How about Stone Carrawell, Joey? He's no slouch. Let me tell you something. 6'7", 225. And Vide in the lane puts it up and in. Javon Porter outside to Vide at UCLA last year for one season was a reserve. He'll stop and shoot a shot and make it. Young Vide.
Yeah, young double-double with 12 and 9.
51-48. Vide in the lane. Jumper's good.
Coming off a 13-point game against San Fran.
Shop now at Goodr.com. That's GOODR.com. Top of the key, the Wales will play off him. He's more of a slasher to the basket. There he goes, puts it up and in. Wales might need a timeout. And for LMU, they've now won 7 of 8 against Pepperdine in this series, the PCH Cup at LMU. Take a look at this. Here's Porter, the former Pepperdine Wave.
LMU able to take that haymaker, get off the deck, and make that comeback.
Bert Palazzi has